One is most important thing on keto diet, that we need to be organized, and we need to be able to organize our meals when we're going out. Because we are on a special diet, we cannot expect if we go anywhere we will have just products which is keto friendly. So same like our ancestors in past, they have been always carrying their homemade food with them wherever they go. Was no industrialization, and was no food available everywhere in past. For our grandmothers I am talking. So how they was able to organize themselves, same we need to pick up that habit if we want to be successfully on this diet. So that's what I do. I never count that I will get something outside and I just go empty handed. Or unless I am on prolonged fasting and then I know that I don't need to eat, I will just have water with me. Very important, you have to carry a bottle of water with you. And otherwise your snacks, your food should be available with you. Like a child taking lunch box to school, maybe that is the way you can organize yourself as well. That's what I do and that's what I share. So many times ladies asking me, okay, which cheese to use? Any cheese you want. Important it is a full cream, and important it is cheese which you have pleasure to eat. So look at this. Of course time already gone, and I can see my butter melted, but I may have like pieces of cucumber, pieces of cheese, and even I have butter on them. Then I have my bulletproof coffee. Then I have my vitamins, daily vitamins also, which I take, and I have my nuts. So if I had my breakfast in the morning at home, then I'm catering for a second meal with me. Everywhere I go, anywhere I go, I will have food with me. So many ladies asking me, Irina, how you manage, give us tips. But it's very simple. You just have to love yourself enough to be able to organize for yourself your food for whole day. If I know that today I'm not going to have dinner, then I will take the food with me enough for that amount of time when I'm out. If I will eat my lunch, maybe I'm not going to eat my dinner. If you are skipping your breakfast, then you may take for your lunch and for your dinner if you whole day somewhere out. So that is such discipline. If it is becoming your habit, then there is no problem on staying on keto diet. But if we did not organize ourselves like this, if we did not take with us our bulletproof tea or bulletproof coffee, our nuts, our cheese, our whatever is favorite things to eat, then when we go out, we may have only chance to buy something which can be close to keto friendly, and it may not always be what we wanted for ourselves, but because we will be hungry, we will have no choice. So better to wake up a little bit early, or from evening you already make all your things ready and keep it in fridge, so you will not mess up in the morning, and you will always organize with you your keto food. Just making that much for yourself is already going to help you to stay totally keto, and of course your result will be the best results. Because if sometimes because of our hunger we mess up and we were forced to eat anything which is we found available everywhere, and maybe it is partly keto friendly, partly is not keto friendly, we may spoil our results because it can knock us out of ketosis, and then we will take again 1 or 2 days to go back to ketosis. It depends in which region we are and if we really may find a very close to keto friendly food. So this is just a reminder for you how to organize yourself. Good luck, happy ketoing.
By the way, Decathlon shop has a very nice bottles thermos which can keep your bulletproof coffee hot for a very long time. I recommend.